This maybe my nigga Dubs is just alive for so long. He currently snores like a bitch right now. If you hear it, I can't even talk so much. Just listen. He doesn't believe he snores with that big. He's around 22, 23 and he snores like he's 53. Seriously, man. You guys should check out a doctor real soon.